Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan a trip on the booking.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your homepage, and after that you should scroll down till you find this quick and easy trip planner section. So you should select one of these options: romance, outdoors, beach, city, or relax. And then you should select the destination that you can find here. Tap on it and then you will be directed to a page where you can check out the hotels. You can apply filters such as breakfast included, spa and wellness center, and so on. Then tap on the see availability button, and then you can check out the details, what's included, and then you can reserve the apartment at the top. As you can see here, you can check out the highlights of it, and basically the availability chart can be found down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.